Yeah, so I'm here right now. I just got the new Blue Parrot 450, and here's the unboxing of it. And so, as you can see right here, it comes with a case. So let me move this out the way. I've already unzipped it, but look at that. Come with a case and a charger, so that you don't have to. I love the charger that it comes with right here. I don't even know if you like it. Oh, buddy, it comes with a auxiliary cable too. I love that. And the charger. And it got the little, the voice thing right there. So that's it right there, ladies and gentlemen. Instructions and everything. So I'm about to set this thing up, and I'm gonna let you know how everybody just thinks the thing sounds. And right now I'm recording from this 250 that I have, VXI 250 Bluetooth. Blue Parrot. So yeah, I'm loving it. What's going on? So as you can see, I already got it on. This thing is wonderful. You can listen to music. It's like 2-in-1. It's like having some real good headphones. You can listen to music, talk on the phone, and it's pretty cool. I like it. And I got up to the engine earlier to see if anybody could hear me while I had the engine running. They couldn't hear a thing. They didn't even know the engine was running. And so this thing has great noise canceling capability. And so yeah, man, I'm excited. So the VXI 450 Blue Parrot.